Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to find the absolute value of list elements in Python. I will define our absolute function. This will be define ifs1 and it will take a list. And now I'm going to use a for loop to loop through our list for I in range length, and we are going to pass in our list. We are going to check if our array's item is less than 0. Array at index I, the element at this location is less than 0. Then we are going to get the absolute value of that element. Array I, array I multiply with -1, and then we are just going to print our array. Now I'm going to create our list and pass into this function. Now this list will be over here. Our function name is one, and here we are going to pass in the list 5 minus 6 7 minus 8 and minus 10. Just save it and run our script. And here are absolute value of our list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.